Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Start by installing the Google Assistant app from the App Store and signing in. Grant microphone access so the app can hear your voice and location for accurate results. Allow notifications so reminders and timers send alerts on your iPad. Enable background app refresh for smoother startup and faster responses. Optionally create a Siri shortcut that opens Google Assistant for quick voice launching with a custom phrase. Open the Google Assistant app and tap the microphone icon to speak your query aloud. If you prefer typing, tap the keyboard icon and type your request instead. Ask Assistant to set a 10-minute timer or create a calendar event for 3 p.m. Use it to send messages or start navigation when you provide destination details. When signed into the same Google account, you can control Google Home devices and linked apps from the iPad. Manage privacy by opening the app settings and reviewing your activity controls and privacy options. Use the Delete Activity option and choose Auto Delete every 3 months when you want automatic cleanup. Add the Google Assistant widget to your Today view or home screen for one-tap access. If responses feel slow, enable background app refresh and check battery settings for the app. Confirm microphone permission if Assistant fails to hear your voice during.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.